It's Mamekan, Mamekan. Hey everyone, so today I am going to make for you one of my favorite desserts, and it is a Japanese dessert that basically consists of lightly sweetened agar and soft and sweet red adzuki beans that's cooked until it just like melts into your mouth. And of course, it's a very simple dessert. You can decorate it as you please, either with some syrup or also with additional fruits if you want, but it's really something that's perfect for the summer. It's super light after a meal, and I just love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So a very simple recipe. We're gonna do the content or the agar first. So I have 2 cups of water here, and to that I added 2 teaspoons of agar along with 2 tablespoons of demeurara sugar. And I'm just bringing it up to a boil right now because sometimes agar doesn't dissolve that well, and I'm just cooking it for right around 1 minute just to make sure that everything dissolves, and then I pour it into like a 13 by 9 inch pan to set. After this cools a bit, this goes into the refrigerator for right around 4 hours until it sets and is cold at the same time. So now we're gonna get to the beans. I have a can of 15 ounces of black beans, and this is my little hack of speeding things up. And then to that, I add 2 cups of water to that. And I'm gonna bring it up to a boil and then lower it down to a simmer and then cook this for right around 2.5 hours because you wanna get the beans to be nice and soft. And this process is usually a lot longer. Like I hear in Japan, it takes days. So after 1 hour though, I'm gonna take the lid off and I'm going to add in, I add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, but people add in a lot more. I'd say a 1/2 cup is pretty normal. And then I continue cooking it for 1 more hour, at which point I lift up the lid and I crank the heat up so that most of the liquid will be evaporated. So I'm just left with a little bit of syrup and the beans. And this you wanna stick into the refrigerator until everything is cold. You can't really see it right now, but it's actually nice and soft and smooth when you bite in, so it's really the perfect dessert. So serving time, it is really that simple. I put the bed of agar in place first, and then after which I spoon on the beans because that's the part with the syrup as well. And there's a possibility that you don't find it sweet enough. Usually what the Japanese will do is sprinkle on a little bit of their brown sugar over it. So you can do that, or if you have some date syrup or any kind of syrup, just drizzle a little bit over, and that's really all you need. As simple as this dessert is, everything needs to be done well. So you get like the cooling factor of the agar cubes, and then that kind of melt in your mouth, sweet and smooth black bean. I really love this. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that summer recipe. And as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, go on and hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!